Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about some tips for maintaining a healthy heart. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in many countries, but the good news is that there are many things you can do to reduce your risk of developing heart disease. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Exercise regularly. Exercise is one of the best things you can do for your heart health. It can help you maintain a healthy weight, lower your blood pressure, and improve your cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling or swimming, on most days of the week. Tip 2. Eat a heart-healthy diet. This means eating plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like olive oil and nuts. Avoid foods that are high in saturated and trans fats, such as fried foods, processed snacks, and fatty meats. Tip 3. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the biggest risk factors for heart disease. It can damage the lining of your arteries, increase your blood pressure, and contribute to the buildup of plaque in your arteries. If you're a smoker, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your heart health. Tip 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to the development of heart disease by raising your blood pressure, increasing inflammation, and promoting unhealthy habits like overeating and smoking. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or talking with a therapist. Tip 5. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep quality or not enough sleep can contribute to the development of heart disease. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, and establish a consistent sleep routine to help improve the quality of your sleep. By making these lifestyle changes, you can reduce your risk of developing heart disease and improve your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe and stay connected.